Okay, welcome to the workshop where we're going to assemble a crochet Christmas bouquet. I hope you enjoyed watching the video of how I did a little demonstration of the pom-poms. They can be used as embellishments on anything you like in any color. Today we're going to do it Christmas pom-pom flowers. Look how cute that was attached with a Santa amigurumi head. If you like to know how I did any of these really pretty flowers and leaves, let me know in the comments. That way I know you will be interested and I can make a separate video. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel, have your notification bell pressed, and you will know when my next video is up and ready. Okay, so I have a few Christmas themes here. Pine cones. I'm going to use this enamel vase, which I've used before. For other seasons, I just added an iridescent wide ribbon bow with some really pretty sparkly red ribbon. That's fun. You could always change out your ribbon if you have a neutral colored vase. I'm going to incorporate wrapping paper in this, tissue paper, and possibly other flowers from my collection. As you can see, I keep a collection of other flowers. I'll see if anything can be used. Also, let me know if you see anything here that you'd like me to demonstrate. Okay, let's get started on assembling a crocheted Christmas bouquet. And I'll show you where I'm putting it in my kitchen nook. I'm building a really pretty vignette in there. So let's get started and have a lot of fun and a happy holiday. this is complete. I think it turned out so beautiful in the traditional white, green, and red. Very pretty, kind of a vintagey feel. Got your beautiful bow here on the side. It's tied onto a handle that's an enamel pitcher. Let's go over. We have holly berries, an amigurumi Santa with some red and white pom-poms, some beautiful red roses. Once again, let me know if you want further details on how any of those florals are made. Holly leaves with berries, a little cute Christmas tree here with a little yellow star. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to incorporate it in my Christmas vignette in my kitchen. And also layered it with the accordion folded Christmas paper and white, and then white with golden dot tissue. That adds a little fluffiness and texture. All right, let's take it to the kitchen and add it to the Christmas decor. Here's the wide angle of this vignette that keeps growing and growing with all my Christmas artwork and crochet. Let's look at that beautiful crochet floral arrangement that we just put together. Okay? Candles, Christmas florals, Christmas bears. Ho, ho, ho. Happy holidays. Take one more look. Saint Nick at the top. I think that's a really welcome addition. Let me know what you think of this project, and I will see you on the next video.